Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to edit a China travel vlog using Filmora. First, let's import clips to our timeline. I have all these clips. I'm going to drag each one and drop it on the timeline. I'm going to do the same for this one. And also same for this. Once I have all the clips ready, let's trim the clips. Now each clip is more than 10 seconds now. So I want to keep it to 7. So this is all done now. So the next step is to add a title. So for that, click on Effect. And here, type in China Travel. Click on Stickers, and here, type on China Travel. You can see this China title here. We can copy, drag and drop it onto the timeline. Let's see how it looks like. It looks great. So the next thing we want to do is click on Transition, and here, same, you have to search China Travel, and it'll give you a lot of new transitions. So I have this sticker here in place. So I want to connect each of these clips. So I'm going to use this transition over here. And next, I'm going to use this one. So let's see how the transition looks like. Let's see one more time. You see the transition was looking really good. So this was the other transition. So these are the easiest way to create a China travel vlog using all of these new transitions and stickers. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos like this, click on the subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.